guys, welcome to Techna Review, and in this video we'll be talking about the Redmi Y2. So the Redmi Y2 has been launched by Xiaomi in the recent launch event, and now it's the battle of Xiaomi's going on between the Redmi Y2 and the Note 5. So we'll be discussing which one wins in this video, but before that a bit about the Redmi Y2. It's the successor of the Redmi Y1, which was not as popular as the other Xiaomi phones, but definitely Redmi Y2 comes with better internals and a better camera, and not only that but an awesome design. So the camera has been improved a lot in the Redmi Y2, and it definitely derives inspiration from the Note 5 Pro and the MIA1, which was released last year. So we'll be discussing everything, and I'll be telling you which one should you spend your money on if you are deciding to go for one of these phones. So if you're stuck between these two phones, then this video can definitely help you out. So without further ado, let's get into the video and find out which one wins the battle of the Xiaomis. Before starting the video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also click the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads. So first is design and display, and as I said that it is totally a departure from the last year's Redmi Y1, and it clearly derives inspiration from the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the MIA1. In the front, there is a 5.99-inch HD Plus display with slight bezels, while at the back there is the Redmi Note 5 Pro style vertically mounted camera setup, and the antenna bands, as you can see, runs around the top and the bottom of the phone as we saw in the MIA1. But the Redmi Y2 doesn't come with a metallic unibody like the MIA1 or the Redmi Note 5 Pro. But talking about the Redmi Note 5 in comparison, the phone has got a metal unibody that is slightly smaller in size than the Y2, but has got the same 5.99 HD Plus display, which is becoming really common in the Xiaomi devices. At the back there is a slight difference as it has got a single camera, though the metal back finish gives the phone a solid feel in your hand. Now let's talk about the specifications of both the phone. And the Redmi Note 5 runs the Snapdragon 625 SoC processor, whereas the Redmi Y2 also is equipped with the same hardware. It also runs with the same 625 SoC processor. The Redmi Note 5 is available in 3GB, 32GB and 4GB, 64GB RAM and storage variants, whereas talking about the Redmi Y2, here also the RAM and storage variants are similar. Now, if you talk about the camera of both the phones, then the Redmi Note 5 has got 12 megapixel rear camera, which was 13 megapixel in Redmi Note 4, and a 5 megapixel front camera along with the rear mounted fingerprint sensor. And the camera of the Redmi Y2 is far off better from the Redmi Note 5 as it has got a 16 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture and HDR support, while at the back you'll get a dual camera setup which has got 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with a f2.2 aperture, and you'll get face detect autofocus. It has also got HDR and it allows portrait shot. Now coming to battery and performance, here the Redmi Y2 is kind of lagging behind comparing to the Redmi Note 5, as the Redmi Y2 has got a 3080 mAh of battery and it supports fast charging, which can be good for daily usage, whereas the Redmi Note 5 has got a 4000 mAh of battery, which would definitely perform better. Now talking about performance, both of the phone has got the same hardware, so it is quite expected that both of them will perform equally. But the thing is that it might not happen as such, because the Redmi Note 5 only comes with Android 7.1.2 Nougat with MIUI 9 on the top, whereas the Redmi Y2 comes with MIUI 9.5, which is based on Android Oreo. Now lastly, talking about the pricing, both of this device has got a very attractive pricing, and the Redmi Y2 has the starting variant at 10,000, which is 9,999, and the highest variant is 12,999, which is 13,000. Whereas in the same price segment, we have got the Redmi Note 5, which sales for 9,999 in its starting variant and reaches up to 11,999 for its highest variant, which has not only got the trust of the market, but it's also worth your every penny. So coming down to the final question, which one you should go for, I would say what these two phones are offering you is quite dope in this price segment. But your decision is quite important. Your preference is basically important here, because if you want a phone with a great camera, then you should definitely switch here to the Redmi Y2. But if you want a phone with the overall good performance, then you should definitely go for the Redmi Note 5. So your preference is important, as a lot of us might not be happy with the single camera setup of the Redmi Note 5. So in that case, you can definitely switch over to the Redmi Y2 if you don't mind compromising with the HD Plus screen of the Redmi Y2. So that was all for the comparison. Make sure to comment your opinion in the comment box down below. And guys, yes, that's a wrap for this one. If you like this video and if this video has helped you, then do not forget to hit that like button and also do subscribe to the channel, Make sure to follow us on Instagram. The link is given down below in the description box. So make sure to follow us there, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.